Yo, it's Lux from Server.pro and welcome to this tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to install and use the MySQL Economy Bridge plugin. This plugin allows you to link a Vault-compatible Economy plugins data between multiple Minecraft servers using a MySQL database. This means that you can have the same money data between multiple servers. You can even use this on a bungee cord network. As long as you have a MySQL database, you can do this. To install the plugin, head over to the plugin section, go over to the Spigot tab and search for MySQL Economy Bridge like so. Install the version that is compatible with your server and restart. The next step is to ensure that you install this plugin on all the servers you want to share the economy data with. I'm using 2 different servers and I have the plugin installed on both of them. Of course, also ensure that you have the same economy plugin which is compatible with Vault on all the servers as well. Don't forget to install Vault too. In this case, I'm using the Essentials Economy. Now, of course, for this plugin, you'll need a MySQL database. On Server.pro, we provide you with one on our Pro plans. If you're not using Server.pro, ensure that you have a database and that it's online and running. To enable your MySQL database on Server.pro, go over to the MySQL tab and click Enable. This will give you your details. But before you go and enter those details into the config of the plugin, you'll need to restart your server for the appropriate files to generate. Once you completely restart your server, you should see a MySQL folder in your Files tab. Make sure it's there, otherwise the next step will not work. For this, you will only need one MySQL database, as you'll be linking everything to it. Now, once you enabled MySQL, locate the config file in the plugins folder. Then, one by one, enter in your details like so. I like to create 2 windows so I can quickly copy and paste the necessary information into the config. Now go and enter in the exact same details into your other servers too. Once that's done, restart your other servers and you're ready to go. Now when I join a server and give myself some money, then log in into my other server, you can see that the money is linked between those 2 servers. So whenever the money changes on one server, it changes on the other, since it's linked using a single database. It's pretty simple and really handy. Apart from that, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any plugin suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. And if you're having issues with anything, contact our support team. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.